DMR number 2, the table shows the cost, or C, for the number of movie tickets purchased, which is T. Write an equation. So remember, an equation has an equal sign that can be used to find the cost of 5 movie tickets. So we need to figure that out. We're going to use that equation to complete the table with the cost of 5 tickets, as well as it might help us to figure out how much it costs for 1 ticket. So if we go from $25.50 and we divide that by 3, how are we going to figure out what that's going to be? So if we do $25.50 and divide that by 3, we get $8.50. So if we take that unit price, if we put the money on top, $25.50, and we put the, that's for 3 tickets, the unit price would be $8.50 for 1 ticket. So that's going to help us there. Now, to get from 1 to $8.50, we multiply by 3. We multiply by $8.50. Whoa. $8.50. There we go. If we go the opposite way, we would divide by $8.50. The arrow going backwards. But if we're going forward, we're going to multiply by $8.50. So the number of tickets, T, the number of tickets multiplied by $8.50 is going to equal the cost that you're going to pay. Or another way that we can write this, I'm going to move this up here, because another way that we can write this is $8.50 times T. So a lot of times you might see it written together, equals C. So that's the same thing. I'm going to delete this just so that we can write one part of it. So that $8.50 times T equals the cost. So we're going to find the cost for, not 12 tickets, 5 tickets, my bad. For 5 tickets. So if we take a look here, 5 times, so we're going to have $8.50 times the number of tickets times 5 tickets is going to equal, well, let's figure it out. $8.50 times 5. So if we do $8.50 and multiply that by 5, we get, let's put in blue, $42.50 equals $42.50. So the cost is going to be $42.50. That is going to be it. That's for 5 tickets. So we kind of did a lot there. I just wanted to make sure and explain to you a couple different ways that you could have done it. So if you just take one of these tables, one of these parts of the table, if you can take this one and divide it by this, so if we figure out the unit price for 1 ticket, we can figure out 1 ticket's $8.50. So if you take $8.50, you can multiply it by any number of tickets and you get the total. So if you buy 5 tickets, you'll be paying $42.50. That's going to be it for our DMR number 2. Great job!